RDZN stock analysis and RDZN stock prediction. So in this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do, how I'm going to trade this, how I'm going to play this. And I'm the only guy in this space with 40,000 videos, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. With Roadzen, I mean, my previous idea was wrong since we never got my confirmation, which is totally fair. It's just an idea. You know, no trades got taken because no rules got met. So what's next? I mean, unironically, for me, it's still from a higher time frame, still like a supply zone. So in this supply zone, if I still see some sort of like a confirmation, I'm going to look to sell. Bottom line, like Mr. Sicko, but when are you going to be bullish? Because this clearly might not even be a bearish idea like before. Yeah, I understand. And that's why only if I see a full candle close above like a good 133 or something, it's going to count as something bullish for me. But stay tuned, and if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. So, goodbye.